Well, here I am again. Thankfully, the lights came on around. What the hell? Oh, the stray is back. Scared me. Um, Lights came on about 6:45 this morning, and they have stayed on. But still, decided to come out at this time to see the damage. And because, yes, I still need to report that, yeah, the damn shingles finally came off. For those of you that were still concerned about last night. Palm leaf. Little Lost Mexican. Lots of palm leaf. Oh, look, Jasmine, that branch did fall off. Oh, her plants. Chick hasn't even moved in yet. She's already putting on her plants. Okay. Whoa, this guy has a lot of work cut out for him.
Poor man, he has to pick all this up. Whoa.
What?
That branch over there, it's like a tree branch. All the way over there, it's big.
What branch?
Here. With this thing.
I don't see it. Okay. Okay, let's come over here. I want to go check out my truck area. Palm trees are very calm now. Oh, damn. Jasmine, your sign is still warrior strong. Still hanging on. Look at that. A little bit closer, the thing would have flown to your window. Move, child. Whoa, whoa. Move these out of the way.
Over there, the rooftop.
Well, I already showed that part. Well, at least I got them to fix this thing. Remember how it was just into my laundry back patio area? I would have been flooded back there. Wow, Jasmine, and you wanted a pool. There it is, your little river.
I could be here with Jordan. Me and Jordan.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the worst that I've seen the flooding here so far.
It's not flooded all the way over there where Lori is.
Okay, well, this is the neighbors. Almost got rained on. Oh, behind my truck. Oh, at least my truck got washed. Oh, what are you doing, child? Get that little palm tree thing, leaf, and the one right there, and bring it this way. Get all this water. Yeah, let's just put it right here on this grass area. There, I cleared my path. Not like I'm going anywhere. Look at that. So over there.
They won't be able to see it good. You're gonna have to go where White is at.
We have a little stream running this way. Chinetas, I have 3 pairs of rain boots in my room, and I put on my stupid chanclas.
The mail.
No, 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 no. A ver, come this way. Ah, damn neighbor's gonna see me.
No, not outside.
Believe me, I think he smells me.
At least I have like a little pool.
If the rain boots were to fit you, I would let you put them on here, but they don't fit you. Yeah, then it goes all down that way, and all down over there.
The fire truck.
Where?
I'm hearing one.
Oh, you hear it.
I don't know if it's a police, a ambulance, or like.
That sounds like a fire truck. Brittany, mira.
I need one too.
Your birthday's not coming up. Mine is.
Yes, but it's like in 2 months. Close.
My birthday's the one coming up, not yours.
No, it's Cassie's.
Oh yeah.
Cassie's for Jackson.
I can't pay my bills anymore. They're underwater.
Oh.
Look, Ossifer, you're not the only one who got a pool.
No,
I got a little
river.
pond.
We got a river.
Evan, you want to walk down to the other,
I want to go to the water.
down the sidewalk? No, you aren't going to go into the water.
Well, I can see the shark. Fish. I can see Nemo.
No, and then the shark might like dark meat. A ver, let's go this way. Sí, ahora sí ya viene pasado. Pasaditos. What? Ah! You see? Because I put on my stupid chanclas por andar hablando. Oh, that wheelchair survived. Yeah. Hey, good idea. That mattress? Oh, hell no. That's the mattress that was stored at my apartment, the apartment next door to me. All full of fucking bed bugs and shit. Morgan is saying for you to get that mattress, Jasmine.
Why?
Put it on the thing and just float down.
Ooh, I want to do that.
Hell no. It's like I'm telling her, it's the mattresses from the ones that the people that used to live next door to us.